What if you stopped your grandfather from meeting your grandmother? If you did, you'd never be born. But if you were never born, how could you have traveled back in time? This is the grandfather paradox. It's one of the most perplexing riddles in science. Before we dive into this conundrum, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We're about to explore a concept that may challenge your understanding of reality. Time travel has fascinated people for centuries. Movies depict it as simple: you hop in a machine and fix your mistakes. But, as physics reveals, it's not that straightforward. Einstein's theory of relativity teaches us that time isn't linear. Instead, it's part of a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. In theory, space-time can bend, twist, or loop back on itself. So, mathematically speaking, time travel could be possible. However, the grandfather paradox illustrates why it might not work. If you travel back and stop your grandfather from having kids, your parent is never born, meaning you never exist. But if you never exist, how could you go back to change anything? This creates a never-ending cycle. It's a logical loop that undermines the idea of a consistent timeline. Scientists have debated this paradox for decades. Some argue it proves time travel to the past is impossible. Others, including top physicists, propose that the universe may have a solution built in. One explanation is the many worlds interpretation. This view suggests that every choice or change creates a new universe. So if you stopped your grandfather, it wouldn't erase your timeline. It creates a parallel universe where you don't exist, while your original universe continues on. Time travel might not rewrite history, it could just shift you to another version of it. There's also another theory, the Novikov self-consistency principle. This suggests the universe won't allow paradoxes. No matter your actions, events will adjust to maintain a consistent timeline. If you try to prevent your grandfather from having kids, something would go wrong. Maybe your gun jams or you trip. The timeline self-corrects as if the universe has its own rulebook. You can play with time, but you can't break it. Now, here's the truly mind-bending idea. Some scientists speculate that we might already exist in a fixed timeline. This means the future has already occurred. Every choice you make may be scripted in the universe. Einstein believed in a block universe, where past, present, and future exist simultaneously. You experience them one moment at a time. This perspective implies you can't change the past because it's already as real and unchangeable as the present. So, can time travel exist? Maybe. But not in the way we dream of it. Perhaps it's not about changing the past but understanding it. Even if time travel is feasible, you might not rewrite your narrative, you could only relive it. And maybe, just that notion is enough. If this idea amazed you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. If you could travel through time, would you prefer the past or the future?